Hey, Mike here again from Caliber Automotive. So you're looking at a car and it happens to be coming from a dealer. All good, dealers are fantastic. What you need to know when buying a second-hand vehicle from a dealer is how they acquire their vehicles. 80 to 90% of their used inventory on their lot will come from what we call a dealer auction. These auctions will go through about 1,000 vehicles a week. And not only is it in a week, it's in a 2.5-hour window. What used to be in person right now is online. But it's one dealer after the other. It's sold to the highest bidder. What they have in front of them to understand the vehicle they're buying is some good detailed photos, a Carfax report, and any declarations that might be on the vehicle. By far and away, no extent of its history. Now, where this comes in to importance to you is we get the question all the time. I'm looking at a vehicle that's coming from a dealer. They've done their AMVIC inspection, which they're obligated to provide. They've got a Carfax, everything looks okay. Do I still need it inspected? The answer is a resounding yes, and here's why. To go through that many vehicles, you're buying one every minute. There's no way by the time that vehicle comes from the auction, through their inspection process, and then into the salesman's hands to sell to you, could they ever understand everything about that car that you need to know. So a good detailed inspection for pre-purchase is very important. It uncovers basically anything and everything the car could need within about a year. Ownership, a great tool for negotiating, and not only that, you can avoid a disaster if you can uncover some stuff that you just don't want to be a part of. So yeah, I hope this helps. Have a great evening.